Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day. Today, we are going to be making this little paper fan. Love it. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 8 sections, so 8 triangles. Very easy to make. You just need to be a bit patient, and you can make this out of cardstock or papers. I have used and I'll explain to you step by step in just a moment. I have used some cardstock that I had and then some transfers on top. So the flowers that you see are just like transfer on stickers that you just simply peel it off, and then we finish it off by adding the brad and then a little feather dangling that I had in my stash that was gifted to me. Okay guys, keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so the first step is to create a triangle. Now you can do any sort of like sizes. The triangle can be as taller or as wider or as thinner as a little bit. You decide what is the size of your triangle. My suggestion, especially if you like me, that you're not very like, I could carry on and draw, but I think it's easier to cut one triangle and use that as a template. I've got some Tim Holtz scrap cardstock because I want to use it all. I literally got these little bits left and I'm very, very happy because I nearly finished all my scraps cardstock. Yeah, that's brilliant. So I'm going to cut, so my measure 3 by, how tall it is, 3 by 4. That's the dimension on my triangle. Okay, so I'm going to cut it and I'm going to use this template and cut as many triangles as I possibly can. Okay, so from this piece, I think this was 6 by 6. I've got, so one I already cut, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in total. Okay, so I'm gonna, and I'll be right back. Okay, now we've got all our triangle. What you can do, I'll give you 2 options. So you can keep it like that and then your fan will open like so before we decorate it. But you see, you can see all these like corners sticking out. Or what you can do, which I'm going to do, I have used this curve here from my double-sided tape, and I just literally use this as a template. So when you do so and you put them all together, instead of the section having these sharp corners, we'll have like this sort of like effect. I can't explain, like so. So instead of being, so the fan will look more like so. So we'll have the section that are actually rounded instead of being like sharp corners. I hope I'm making sense, but I think you will see what I mean in just a second. Okay, so if we look at the fan now, you see it's got like more like a rounded shape. Okay, so now is the fun part. We're going to decorate it. I'm going to use, because I've got loads of this left to use, I'm going to use some of my transfer, it's not mine, some of my stickers that I had in the stash, because I do quite like the papers and I don't really want to cover them. Okay, so I'm going to use these flowers, and also I think I'm going to find a suitable lace. And what am I going to use? I think I'm going to use this one here because I quite like the green. Yeah, so I'm going to use maybe 2 layers of these, and then on the cord that you will see, am I going to stick the pearls on top of it. Okay, because again, I don't want the video to be too long, I'm going to do all of this and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's a bit labor intensive, I must admit, but each triangle is quite unique, so I quite like how they turned out. The beauty with this project is that you can use any cardstock and you can use any sort of lace or ribbon and any decorations that you might have. The good thing about these adhesive pearls is that they cover the line perfectly. So one big tip that I'm going to give you is trying to stay curved throughout, trying to maintain this sort of like curve feeling, because when we're going to put it together, it's going to be so much nicer and fluid Okay, so that's all the section. The last thing I'm going to do, because you can see my pen sign, I'm going to distress each triangle, and also we are going to put a little hole in each one of them. Okay, and then we're simply going to put a brad, but before we do that, I come back. Okay, so I've got all the bits and pieces. I've got a couple of more strings of my ribbon. I found this in my stash, this little dangle with a little feather like that. And then I've got my brad here. This one is it's got a little handle, if you wish. So what I thought we will do, so now I haven't worked this bit out yet, so I'm just doing it with you, just hoping the hole will be big enough, because yes, so let me put this through. And then on the back, I'm just gonna open it up. And then we have our fan. Okay, and it actually works. It gives you a little bit of cool hair. So what do you guys think? It's cute. So I'm going to tidy this up a little bit. Okay, so I thought we will make a little bow. Okay, that's better. So let me make a little bow just to make it even more prettier. I knew this will happen. Why don't we just use one? Oh, I lost a pearl there. Okay, never mind. We open a new pack, and we're just gonna add the pearl there. So my intention is to use this as a little ephemera in one of my journals. So I'm not intended to open it up all the time, if it's making sense. So you can't really tell that it's a bow, but I think you get the gist. And I'm just going to trim the edges. I'm just going to do like in different length. So, okay, that's enough. And then I thought we will add this a little embellishment. So my fan looks like this. Okay, what do you guys think? Do you like it? It's a bit labor intense. To be fair, even the gold I think would look nicer. No, actually I prefer that. It's only a little labor intense when you do each triangle, but after that it's very, very cute. Guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this project. I hope I give you some ideas. And if you do make it, share on my Facebook group, because I really want to see what you guys make, and also give it the opportunity to everybody, so we all take inspiration from one another. My Facebook group is a very interactive community, so please join me over there too, because you can see other talented crafters showcasing their project. But for today, this is my little paper fan, and the back is plain. This is what I was saying to you. I'm not planning to use it as fan as such. It's just a little ephemera, if you wish, a little embellishment. And I love the dangly and the ribbon there. You can either decorate it further, but I don't think it's needed because I think the flowers and the paper, there's quite a lot going on as it is. All right, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. And then until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.